Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the starting day of your period on the period tracker application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the Today button down below, which is the first option, and after that click on Period Starts. Here you should select the starting date of your period on this calendar. Tap on the button Save down below. So here you can see that this is the first day of your period if you have selected today's date. And if you tap on Period Ends, you can undo these options and indicate the current ones. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.